Hey everyone, it's Suchi from Nagios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the tools menu in Nagios XI. The custom tool list offers a convenient way to access frequently used links, which can be relative within XI or a complete URL. Both administrators and regular users can create custom tool lists, but administrators are the only ones who can create tools that are shared by everyone. Users can only create their personal custom tool lists. And with that said, let's get into it. You can access the tools menu by clicking on the wrench icon. Here you can manage your tools. To add tools, click on personal tools, then click on add a tool. Name the tool accordingly and put the URL here. Click on save when finished. You should now see it listed in your tools and in a drop-down menu. If you're an admin and want to provide tools for all users of the XI instance, click on Common Tools instead of Personal Tools and follow the same steps. And there you go. Now you know a little bit more about creating and managing tools inside Nagios XI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. For any questions or additional assistance, make sure you visit support.nagios.com. And until next time, take care and keep monitoring.